Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing the January 2023 Ipsy bags. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you to Ipsy for sending me these bags. They've been sending it to me for several months now and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. And yeah, so I've been getting the Ipsy Glam bag, the regular one, which is around $14 a month. And I'm also getting the Ipsy Glambag Plus, which is around $29 a month now. I will make sure to put the pricing over here. It's a monthly subscription. You get makeup, skincare, and all sorts of stuff. For these subscription boxes, you do get to choose at least one product in the Ipsy Glam bag, and I believe 2 products in the Ipsy Glam bag Plus, if I'm not mistaken. Because these products were sent to me by Ipsy, I don't get to choose the items that are in these bags, but a lot of them has been really good. So if you want to know what I got in my Ipsy Glam bags this month, then keep on watching. Here they are, guys, the Ipsy Glam bags for January. Let's get started with the Ipsy Glam bag, the regular one. You get about 4 sample sizes in here plus 1 full-size item. This is the January bag. Super cute. I love how fluffy and soft it is, but this kind of screams more like spring to me. It's kind of confusing why purple and green, like bright lime green, would be in January, but okay, that's okay. We're gonna go with it. I personally like it. It's nice and fluffy. Out of the several bags I've been getting, I do keep very few Ipsy Glam bags, and this one is probably one of the ones that I will keep just because it's so soft, super soft. Okay, you've got the Ipsy logo right there. And when you open it up, the items are in the bag. So let's look at the card. This is the year of you for January 2023. Forget reinvention, throw resolutions out the door, never mind starting over. This year, just focus on doing you and discovering whatever makes you happy. Love this message. I mean, it's basically saying don't sweat the little things. Worry a lot about what matters, the important things in life, like family, time together, laughter. Take care of yourself, like focus on yourself instead of others. So I love that. I love the theme for this month. As you can see, I have a very plain base. I will be trying out the products, or at least some of the products that I get here on the Ipsy Glam bag. The first item in the bag, guys, is the little liquid liner by Wing Me. This looks like it's vegan, cruelty-free, so that's nice. And it's just a very thin liner. And there's the wing liner right there. So I am not going to touch this because I did get a wing liner from Ipsy last month as well. So I am going to save that for future giveaways. So I'm just gonna use the Lottie London Wing Woman liner because this is what I got last month from my Ipsy bag. So I'm gonna save that. Let's see. We also have a Bright Eye Solution Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. So a sample size of that. This is by Gold Faden MD. I think we've gotten this before in our bags. I've been getting a lot of eye cream, so it just takes time for me to try them out. I'm not gonna try that one because I already have my concealer and makeup. Aether Beauty. Ooh, this one is a fancy brand. I remember getting this in one of my advent calendars. It's a Berry Rose Lip and Cheek. Oh, I shouldn't have put my blush. But you know what? We are going to try the lipstick part. Okay. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that is a deep color right there. So it's like a berry color, kind of like a lip tint. So let's just try that. So the next item is by Dew of the Gods, and this is a facial scrub. So it's kind of like an exfoliator. Okay, so this is a facial scrub with squalane and oat milk. Oh, very hydrating, very calming ingredients. So I love the Dew of the Gods packaging, and up to now I haven't used their hand scrub. Packaging is very holographic, if you can tell. Yeah, let's see what the last item is in the box. Oh my gosh, and it's a full-size item. It's a full-size item from Tarte. I've always wanted to try one of these, and that's the color right there. Let's see, it says the color is Villa. It's one of their H2O line, so it's like a balm, and I definitely want to try this. I'm gonna try it. Oh my goodness. This kind of looks like Clinique's Chubby Sticks. I'm surprised how brown this is though. That is so weird. Oh my gosh, I have lipstick on my teeth. Sorry guys. Sorry if you had to see that. It looks very sheer. Yeah. But if anything, this is really just like a hydration lip. I will definitely throw this in my purse because it's just a nice touch up, and it gives you that burst of hydration towards the end of the day, you know, when your lips are starting to chap and your lipstick is coming off. This is the perfect pick-me-up. Okay guys, so that is everything in my Ipsy Glam bag, the regular Glam bag. So I'll be putting everything back in. That is it. Are you guys ready for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? I am super excited for this. Okay, another purple baggie. I don't get it. Now it's like, what kind of flower is this? Comment it down below if you know what kind of flower this is. It's cute. I think my daughter will really love this whole theme. Okay, so with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size items that amount to over $120 worth of products. So that's why I love this bag, and I can't believe Ipsy gives this to me for free. Thank you again, Ipsy. First item is the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Recovery Mask. Honestly, I'm not a mask person. I just don't have the patience for it because I have to do my cleanser. If I have to put on a mask and then rewash my face again, it's too many steps, and no one's got time for that. But they really do a good job. Like, masks are really good. This is a 15-minute mask. It's rich in antioxidants. It's a restorative repair, revives dull skin and tired looking skin. I love the packaging. Oh my gosh, look at this super cute pink packaging. Next item is, oh, I forgot to try this. I should have used this under my makeup. This is the Murad Hydration. The purple line, I believe, is their anti-aging, most hydrating types of products. And it's in a little tiny bottle here. It's a Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. I love Murad as a brand. It's really effective. I'm excited for this. This is another brand that you guys should try. It's not gonna break the bank. It's still a little pricey, but it's a good deal. Next item is by Earth and Harbor Oasis. Okay, the Deep Pore Gel Cleanser. I got this too. I think I got it either last month or the month before. I got their hydrating moisturizer. They're known for their vegan, plant-based, sustainable, like good for the environment type of ingredients. Purely natural, ethically made, and C-active. So I love the idea, but unfortunately the moisturizer, or like this moisturizing serum that I got last month, wasn't that good. I don't know, my skin just didn't enjoy it that much. So it was just okay. I'll think about whether I'll try their cleanser or not. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I might want to try. Like cleansers, I'm all about it. I love trying new cleansers. Maybe I'll give this brand a second chance. We'll see. Okay, next item is a mascara by Boo Beauty. Okay, Beauty Vault. And it's their mascara. I love the packaging, so fancy. Look at that. Look at the top. It's just like a very sleek, squarish packaging. Most mascaras are usually rounded, but this one is square, so that's nice. Ooh, the wand looks different. It's one of those Pokemon ones. I should just call them Pokemon wands because they poke my eyes. They're not bad, they just poke my eyes sometimes. Let me put the mascara on after I do my eye look. Okay, so I knew there was gonna be a palette in here. This is by Winky Lux. I've always wanted to try the Winky Lux as a brand in general. Super cute packaging. This is Lottie Kitten Palette, a coffee scented palette. Ooh, coffee scented. Let's see. Yeah, I can see that. More like the bag of coffee, not the actual coffee. It's not as strong, like, you know, when you smell coffee, it's like, oh, it's so good. But here is the palette. Wow, super cute. It has both warm and cool tones, so I love that. So this is the look that I came up with. Very neutral. It is a neutral palette. First impressions with Winky Lux formula, just okay, just okay. I love how pigmented this gold is. This is the color Chai. This one is not very pigmented. I mean, it's kind of not noticeable, but this one is definitely nice. Now let's do my wing liner. This is the one that I got from my previous Ipsy bag. Okay, so next is the mascara that I got in my Glambag Plus. I gotta say, this Beauty Vault mascara is one of the most lengthening mascaras that I've tried. It's a little wet, so you do have to kind of control the application a bit, but I love it. It's very, very lengthening. So that is everything in my Glambag Plus. We got the mascara, we've got the eyeshadow palette, we have the cleanser by Oasis, we have the Murad moisturizer, and the Hey Honey rejuvenating mask. I want to say it's kind of skincare heavy, right? 3 out of 5 items are skincare. I get excited a lot for their bags. But I kind of wish that they were a little bit more like how they were before, you know, with just exciting new brands from Sephora and all of that. But if you are into makeup and you love trying new makeup and skincare, I think these subscription boxes are really good. So that is it. What do you guys think of my Ipsy Glam bags? Did you like it? What's your favorite product in the bag? And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.